Looking for a reliable and crystal clear way to protect yourself on the road? Click the link below to get your hands on the REDTIGER 4K Dash Cam F7N Touch, a smart investment that thousands of drivers are already calling a game changer. From the moment you install it, the REDTIGER Dash Cam impresses. It has that rare quality of being both high-tech and user-friendly, with a sleek 3.18-inch touchscreen that makes operation feel effortless. You don't have to fumble with buttons or menus. Everything responds smoothly to the touch, and the interface is intuitive even if you're not tech-savvy. The voice control is another standout. Just say what you want it to do while keeping your hands on the wheel. Drivers constantly praise the video quality, and it's easy to see why. The 4K front camera captures license plates and road signs with incredible sharpness, while the rear camera doesn't miss a thing, even at night. Thanks to the STARVIS 2 sensor, the night vision on this model is on a completely different level. Streetlights, headlights, and even the darkest corners are rendered clearly, offering peace of mind no matter the time of day. Another thing people love is the built-in GPS and Wi-Fi. Your routes are recorded in detail, and syncing videos to your phone takes just seconds thanks to the fast 5.8 GHz connection. It's the kind of feature you don't realize you need until you have it, especially if you ever need to pull up footage quickly after an incident. And let's not forget the small things that make a big difference. The emergency lock that automatically saves crucial recordings, the parking mode that watches your car even when you're away, and the fact that it comes with a 128GB card right out of the box. No hidden extras, no hassle. Just plug it in and go. If you've been on the fence about upgrading your dash cam, don't wait. This is one of those rare products that actually lives up to the hype. Click the link now to order the REDTIGER 4K Dash Cam F7N Touch and drive with confidence, clarity, and control.